Vancouver, guys. Where are we going?
Robson.
Robson. We're going to Robson. Is that the high-end strip mall or something for shopping? That one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to Robson and we're going to eat in...
Din Tai Fung.
What? I can say that, but it's a dim sum, they said. It's a famous dim sum place. Yummy, we are at Falls. We are at Falls. Napagod na sa paglalakad sa Robson. Oling. We are at Falls. Cappuccino for me and another one. Diyan daw kami kakain sa Din Tai Fung. Who is this Malaya? Looks like Korea. Oh, Din Tai Fung.
I'm staying here.
Oh, I should sit beside Nora then. Can I sit here? I should have sat beside Nora because we're gonna
Braised beef noodles.
Yep.
Xiao Long Bao. Nara. Yung alis ng umay, vegetable naman ngayon. May isa-isa lang ang bigay kasi.
Yeah, he does. Just one.
Isa-isa ang bigay kasi. It's so good. Yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was good. Whoever eats first.
Spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy wonton.
Thank you. Oh, well, we pretend.
Chicken fried rice. This is a rich restaurant place. For rich people?
It's not.
Okay, we will pretend to be a rich.
Ooh, I like these noodles. They're good.
Ayan po ba isa-isang ano?
It's good.
Isa-isang bibigay. We are pretending to be rich daw. Pero busog na ako. Ito ang look like. It look like kilawin.
Kilawin. I never even tried that. Kilawing palaka.
Dessert time, it's a different kind of dessert. Mochi, chocolate ball.
It's chocolate. Chocolate dumpling.
Oh, chocolate dumpling daw.
Chocolate ball.
Chocolate dumpling is a different kind of dessert. Come on, Mariah. Try
It's
it.
actually pretty good.
Chocolate dumpling.
I think it'd be better with the sea salt at those things.
Do you want to try it?
No, try it.
I'll
try
buy
it.
it.
You scared to try it?
It might be hot.
No.
I actually like it.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
Sobrang busog po kami, hindi na kami makalakad. Ay, lakad ng lakad dito sa Robson. Nabusog ng husto. Lane, oh, tingin. Oh. Hindi na
Makakainin ka. Tapos palalakarin ka.
pagkakainin daw tapos palalakarin. Ayun yung mga kasama namin na una na. Hindi na kami makalakad na dalawa. Sa busog na busog ako talaga. Samahan nyo kami sa pamamasyal namin dito sa Vancouver. Where are we, my dear? Grand We're in Granville Island. Where are you, Nara?
Where am I? What?
It's not paying attention.
Where am I?
We're in Granville Island, guys. This is our second day in BC. At yun ang aming mga kasama. Ayun, Papa is there. Papa is there.
Papa? Yeah, we have to go see the children.
The children? Where's the kids?
Yeah, look out for the kids, Mama.
Come on. Okay, what kids are we looking for? There's my darling. We're inside the market now. Pasta. This is the dragon fruit, the red. Wala kami dito sa Winnipeg ng ganyan. And this is the white one. We only have this.
You compare, Mama.
The fruit.
Favorite.
I like this one, lychee.
Longan? Longan?
Longgan. Lychee is longgan.
Durian?
Ay, ano ito lang, atis, di ba? Atimuya pa. Sarap. Tsaka ano, hinog ng guava. Oh my God, it's a huge mango. Oh, look at that mango. Oh, yan laki ng mangga, oh. Oh, still, oh, ganyan, oh. Kasi laki ng kamay ko. Tapos ito naman, maliliit na mangga. Oh my gosh! Sarap naman yung mangga, guys. Sabi ni Mama yan. Nice! Oh, yummy! Yummy berries! Look at this baby mango! And the other one is huge.
Yeah, this mango is so...
This is the mother mango. Sabi nung nagtitinda, $11 a pound. And this is 2 pounds. So, $22 for one mango? I don't know. Yummy cherries. Ang cute ng pagkaka-arrange yan. Strawberries are
The birds here will literally...
Hi, Ling. Where are you? Yearly kaming pumupunta rito. Yearly din kaming pumupunta dito sa Granville Island. Ano, pagod ka na, Leng?
Ha?
Pagod ka na. Mapapagod ka na naman.
Sarap magka.
Sarap pag
Tambay-tambay.
tambay lang dito. Ayun yung mga kasama namin. Sarap magtambay-tambay lang dito sa Granville. Sarap, mamasyal. Mango smoothie. Good? Yeah? Yummy?
Did you like it?
Thai tea.
Do you have only
Hindi nga
one
mo,
leg?
masarap.
Ano ito?
Or is it just
Thai
standing
tea.
on one leg?
Thai tea.
Standing on one leg.
Oh, I'm like,
Sarap, ano?
this pigeon looks like it only has
like
one
it.
leg.
But I like it.
You know what it is? So I'm just like, because I'm trying to figure out what it is. Right? Like, what is it?
Iba na talaga ang mga senior, yung mga kasama namin naglalakad pa, kami pagod na. Kaya iba na
Stay
talaga.
away.
Iba na talaga ang mga senior guys, kailangan pahinga saglit, hindi tuloy-tuloy ang paglalakad. Kaya ito kami ng lingko, nandito kami ngayon.
Hindi ka sumama.
Nakaupo. Ay, pagod na rin ako, kanina pa tayo naglalakad eh.
Hindi mo lang ako
Ayan.
maiwan.
Tsaka oo nga, hindi kita maiwan. Hindi pwedeng walang shopping pag
Nasaan ka ba?
nag-holiday. Ha?
Nasaan ka?
Ewan ko, Richmond daw. Richmond Mall. We are in Richmond Mall. Kaya lang, nire-renovate daw nila. Kaya hindi pwedeng hindi kasali ang shopping. Di ba, Lingko? Ha?
Siyempre.
Yan. Yay! Uniqlo Leng. Walang Uniqlo sa amin, kaya
Wala lang mga basket yung mga.
yeah. Yun na, may basket na yung mga kasama namin. Walang Uniqlo sa amin, kaya lagi kaming napunta rito para sa Uniqlo din. Yay!
Amoy. Bumaba.
Ayun. Napagod nag-shopping, kain na naman. Pupunta kami dito sa Saco. Ayan, dito kami kakain. Saco. Thank you.
Chicken thigh.
Chicken thigh.
Joe added an extra.
Mama, you can ask for another rice. So you want some rice. You should ask for one.
Chicken thigh katsu there. What is yours?
Cheese katsu.
Cheese katsu.
Thank you for waiting for the chicken thigh with
Thank you. Look at that, Mom.
Yummy.
So have you ever been here?
Yeah, we have. Yeah, thank you.
My chopsticks disappeared.
So I need chopsticks.
There's another one in front. Your sesame seed.
It's good.
Google.
This is a wrap up for day 2. We're going home after shopping, eating. Okay. Good night, everyone.